Hello, I'm Noah,
And I'm Andrew.
and we're building 9.5s. We make like very intuitive user experience attenuators and switches for RF engineers and test engineers who don't want to be slowed down by their current test equipment set. There's a touch screen so that you can set the attenuation or set the switch position. You can set the IP address. It connects via USB-C or power over Ethernet. And when you connect it over USB-C, it pretends to be an Ethernet MAC, so you don't need to install any drivers or software. It supports SCPI and REST, and it has an internal web page you can use over LXI. Right now we offer 0 to 6 gigahertz, but we're planning to offer up to 18 gigahertz later this year. And we have a rack mount enclosure with a data and power backplane, so you can connect everything via pins that are located on the back. And you can control your test equipment via the touchscreen on the rack mount enclosure or via a web interface we offer that also lets you define the cable connections and switching positions and path loss.
Yeah.
And it's all designed to be LLM first, so the rack configuration gets saved as a machine-readable file, and then you can give it to Codex or Claude, and it'll write Python test automation for you.
We're also coming out with a power meter next year, or at the end of this year, which will fit into the ecosystem.
Yeah, and we have plans for a lot more products.